Welcome back. Now news from sports. Goa have a great chance to clinch double crown in baseball as the boys and girls teams enter the finals in the National School Games on Wednesday. In tug of war, Goa girls have entered the finals. The games will conclude on Thursday in Ponda.
Goa coach, manager and Goa team in blue color.
Sports Minister Ramesh Tavadkar wished the state girls team before their tug of war semi-finals. The state girls won the match and will contest with Punjab in the finals on Thursday.
Goa won both the pools and reached the finals in girls section of the under 19 girls 58 National School Games.
In baseball, the Goa boys and girls team have made it to the finals.
Nice pitch here, collection.
Very good running, and Goa scored his first win.
A reporter from Ponda, Vivek Prabhu.
Around 350 athletes will participate in the two-day Inter-District Athletics Championship organized by Mandovi Athletic Club at Kampal on Friday and Saturday. The All India Invitational Championship is a part of 10th anniversary of Mandovi. Events will be held in the under 14, under 16 and under 18 categories. The main intention of the competition is to prepare the state youngsters for the challenge of national games.
Organizing Chairman and Kuchode MLA Nilesh Cabral, SAG Executive Director Elvis Gomes, President of Mandovi Athletic Club Paresh Kamath and Secretary Chetan Kavlekar briefed the media.
The third All India Inter-District Invitational Athletic Meet. So for that meet we are having in all 12 districts from Maharashtra and Karnataka and Goa, and there are more than 350 participants who have given their participation, confirmation of the participation. North Goa, आमचे districtaचे वाटेन there are 47 participants. South Goa there are 64 participants. From Dharwad we have 38, Mumbai suburban 20.
We have basically focus करता Goan athletes because Goan mostly nobody is much into it. Yeah, no, but so we are planning for only to focus for this is like we are taught to mission national games. Our club is thinking of mission national games. After this, club will be adopting at least minimum 7 to 8 athletes. Means we will be looking after them everything. But we will see their performance every year. We will revive that.
And we are on 22nd. We will be having a clinic for technical officials also under the chairmanship of Baptist D'Souza, who is the technical delegate of the federation. Because some rules have been changed and the officials who are unaware, that they will be also made aware of the latest change in rules. We will be having the clinic tomorrow for all the officials, technical officials.
SAG Executive Director Elvis Gomes believes that Goan athletes can go up to the next level as the state will make available modern infrastructure soon.
And definitely the future looks bright because now for the first time we will be having the state-of-the-art facility for them in the form of running track and other field events. So once these athletes who are now budding athletes take shape, they can definitely compete on such surfaces and then go international. So up to now, because of lack of infrastructure, their efforts were hampered and remained at a certain level and could not raise the bar. So now they can definitely look forward to raise the bar and compete not only at national level but international level.
Our sports editor Neeraj Prabhu with video journalist Sushant Pearl from Miramar.
If you have missed a bulletin, log on to prudentmedia.in or follow us on Twitter @PrudentGoa or meet us on Facebook at facebook.com/prudentmedia. And with this we come to an end of this news bulletin. Keep watching Prudent.
तुम्ही पळयतात Prudent. You're watching Prudent.